Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I just do these at home. I fire away. My office is across the street. It's unusual. I'm in a suit. Anyway, I'm a former agent. I worked for IRS over 10 years. I have been in private practice for 40. I am a nationwide expert. Many of you have come to me because you see me on Fox Business, ABC, The Briefing Room, NBC, CBS, News Nation, Newsmax. You can go see all my videos. Not that you want, but they're available at 777irs.com. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. Nobody that I know has more experience than the five of us put together. We have over 6 of us have over 240 years of direct IRS tax experience. As a revenue officer, I used to work cases, so what you hear from me, I kind of pull the curtain back. So right now I want you to know, if you owe IRS taxes, back taxes, this is what you need to do. I've worked thousands of these cases, so whatever I tell you is the gold standard or the biblical standard for IRS matters. So if you owe back taxes, you want to make sure, first of all your tax returns are filed. As a former IRS agent, the first questions I would ask you are, all your returns filed, and are you current on your payroll tax deposits or estimate payments or withholding. IRS wants to make sure you're not going to have a debt moving forward, so they want to draw a line in the sand. So get your taxes in and make sure you have withholding taken out of your check sufficient to cover the debt. Now IRS can just work in the backspace. The next thing you got to know is, what is your exit strategy? What do you want to do with the case? Do you eventually want to pay it off? Can you not pay it off? Hope statute goes. You want to file bankruptcy, and you want to file an offer and compromise to settle your debt. So the next thing you know is, what are the strategies that you can use to take care of the debt? Let's look at them all. First of all, you can file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. That is, the taxes have got to be 3 years or older, assessed for 240 days, and filed for 2 years, assessed for 240 days. If so, you can file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy if you meet those three guidelines. Number two, if your debt's over 10 years or older, the statute goes away, as long as you haven't extended the statute by a collection due process or an offer. The next, IRS can look at your financial statement and say, boy, they're uncollectible. Let's suspend them for a couple years and bring the case later because they don't have the money now. The fourth thing you can do is go ahead and make a payment agreement. Either ask IRS to look at your case and give you an installment agreement, or you can pay it off over 6 years, which you can do online for free. The last thing you can do is file an offer and compromise to settle your debt. Now, to determine all that, you want to look at your current financial statement. So if I was looking at your case, and other people may do it differently, they're wrong, but what you want to do is you want to look at your financial statement, and you want to say, which of that option right now can we do right now? But sometimes you may say, let's plan this out for 3 months because we can use some better advantages of systems and things that you know to make your case look better. At the end of the day, you must know there's 5 strategies you can use: the bankruptcy, the waiting out the 10 years, the payment agreement, the offer and compromise are the ways that you go ahead and do things like that. So what you need to do if you want to do this yourself, look up currently non-collectible, look up offer and compromise, look up bankruptcy, look out payment agreement, look at those different options you can use. And if you're getting stuck and you need more help, that's when you call a professional. We've been doing this a long time. I told you what you need to know. Remember, stay current. Make sure you don't owe taxes in the future. IRS will work with you. Give me a subscription if you would. It's not a big deal. And don't get all worried and bent out of shape. There's always a solution for you. Thank you.